morning. Welcome all of you lovely people. I've got a big surprise for you on today's video, so stay tuned, of course, if you want to find out. A bit of spoiled of the situation. Yeah, I got some special gadget with me, so we'll see. DJI Mini 3, and it's absolutely bang for your buck, as they say. So let's try to put it in the air, of course. Golden Low excavations onto Manifold Way, Manifold Valley. Thank you. And here I am. Let's the struggle begin. Bring it on. Here it is. Ooh. Lovely switchback all the way up to, I think it's called Wetton village. Ooh. But the view from it is absolutely outstanding. Oh. Larkstone Lane, ladies and gentlemen, from bottom of Manifold Valley all the way to Wetton. It's a quite demanding climb, but the views over the valley are unbelievable. Welcome to Derbyshire, where the fun part begins. Some of you might already know where I am, but let's not spoil the surprise. Try not to mess too much today. Well, I can see some mountain bikers tracks, so I shall be fine. First obstacle of the day. Well, not quite, but not too bad either. This is absolutely gorgeous place. I think one of the best I ever been here in the UK. Wow. Okay. Can be quite dodgy on those slippery, rocky boulders, so try to stay safe. Well, I'm trying to be as humble as I can, and hopefully I'll get away with it. Till next time. Now this is absolutely beautiful. Now just take a look. Whew. Who knew that I'll be in such a lovely piece of earth today, eh? Happy New Year.
Right, thank you.
Oh, another couple. Very kind. Wouldn't mind really. That's a proper Derbyshire gravel. Chunky and quite sharp, but decent, I would say. As you might already know, I'm on Wolfscote Dale, located between Hartington and Midday. Happy New Year! It wasn't that bad, so all good, I guess. That's the stuff I'm on about. That's my surprise for you guys. Bring it in. Right, it's nearly midday, so time for some breakfast, of course, and try to record some footage. But for now, let's bring some food. Some goodie bag, homemade jerky, and yep, mid-June date. In Wolfscote Dale. This way is leading to Hartington. Well, cycle way is showing left hand side so of the river. Frank Rock Bridge. Now you know where I am. By the river. What can I say? Such a rookie mistake
I forgot to charge my battery 100% and took it for granted, so purely my mistake. But hopefully the footage I've already on should be enough to for this video. It's pretty decent ride today. Nevertheless, oh, it's always good to be out. Sheen and Hartington. Yep. I'm not staying for a coffee. I'm not that bad, so I'll push myself back home now. That's the stuff? Yep, that's the one. To be honest, I've never been here before. Well, it's time to do it for the first time, of course. Why not? So be it. Alternative route to Manifold Valleyway. Let's bring it on. Oh, that's the route parallel to Manifold Valley track. What does it say? Dale Farm. Never mind. Access not, of course, but let's try not to make too much noise. So this is my last bike ride of 2024, I guess. It's Sunday. It's 2 days to New Year. So I'm wishing you all the very best in 2025, and hopefully I'm gonna see you all, and maybe much more of you, on my YouTube channel. Let the new 2025 year bring more cycling adventures. The muddy off-road section as per usual. The mud mixed with the cow dung, but nice. Stuck grazing. Right, bring it on. I'm heading right. It's gonna be a little struggle, so let's do it. Climb to Butterton. Very stingy. That's a joke. Bloody hell. It really is. Alright, that's our first stiff section done. So from now on, should all be nice and steady, I guess. Okay. Stay safe. Not bad for now. Oops. Incredibly slippery. Careful. Yep. Butterton Ford. Heading towards Grindon. So, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give a thumbs up or press that subscribe button, which will greatly
hope expanding this channel to the higher level, hopefully, and wish you all the best in 2025, of course. So stay tuned for more great content, of course, and thank you for watching.